Oh boy, hello.
Yeah, what's that you're holding?
No, sir. I go buy condom.
Condom.
You know, say make we dey play safe. So I no want take chances. I no want get HIV. I no want belle because I never ready for children yet. So
You went to buy condom.
No, na normal thing. Na no
Contraceptive.
Now so that you
know.
know.
No, I don't know. You people don't read. You don't research.
Oh, you both we do this thing. Know the reason why? So that we will never ready
It's
for.
all conspiracy, my friend. It's all conspiracy. Contraceptive is a conspiracy. Read, research. That's my problem with you people.
Oh no, so you don't start again. Who should be read the research? Or you both them be fool? Or you both we then do this thing? Say make person know we never ready to get children. We never ready to start family.
Okay, can I ask you just one question? If you wear hand glove and you wash your hand with the hand glove on, can you say you have washed your hand?
This your question, sir. Very.
No, answer me. Can you say you have washed your hand? You are wearing hand glove. You put water is running. You wash your hand. Can you say you have washed your hand? These people will be playing with your mental. I told you, read, research. This is all conspiracy.
ONOS, you don't confuse me like this as I dey here now. Do you understand?
My friend, you have bought it already, but I will advise you next time, read, research. That's all conspiracy, my friend.
They are never ready to get.
See, that is their plan now. It's their plan. They don't want you to have children. At your age, 40 years, you are still preventing. It's their plan now, prevent.
But
it's all conspiracy, my friend.
ONOS, me I know this your conspiracy itself is very difficult. Person never ready to born pikin, you say it's conspiracy. If I go do now, the woman can't get belle for me. For wetin go happen?
No born.